children, today we are going to talk about the first part of Factors and Multiples lesson in grade 6.
Shall we plant the chili plants which we brought yesterday?
Okay, but how do we plant the chili plants?
Let's make a vegetable bed and plant the chili plants in rows and columns. There are 12 chili plants in all.
We have to see how the 12 plants can be planted in rows and columns. One row with 12 plants in the row.
12 rows with one plant in each row.
2 rows with 6 plants in each row.
6 rows with 2 plants in each row.
3 rows with 4 plants in each row. 4 rows with 3 plants in each row.
Dear children, you heard the conversation between a mother and daughter about how to plant chili plants, isn't it? In each of these arrangements, the total number of 12 plants is obtained by the product of the number of plants in a row and the number of rows. By that, it is clear that there are many ways of writing 12 as a product of two whole numbers. Dear children, we can write 12 in these ways as a product of two whole numbers. The word factors is used in relation to the product of two whole numbers. Dear children, now we are going to identify the term factors. As we saw earlier, a whole number can be written as a product of two whole numbers. Dear children, when a whole number is written as a product of two whole numbers, those two numbers are known as factors of the original number. Let's rewrite 12 as a product of two whole numbers. Thus, we see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 are factors of 12. Dear children, take a good look at the product of whole numbers related to 12. You can see that, to get the factors of 12, it is enough to write only these products, isn't it? Next, we write the factors of 20. Thus, we see that the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Dear children, let's do this exercise now. 72 can be written as a product of two whole numbers in this way. Thus we can see that the factors of 72 are 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 36, and 72. Dear children, you learned about factors in this lesson. Using what you have learned so far in this lesson, try to find a solution to this problem. We will meet again in another part of the Factors and Multiples lesson. Goodbye.